All right, so now we have the Psycho Mufflers that are on this particular road glide. In case you missed it, Sasquatch was in the mix somewhere in that fast video. You can spot him, let me know, because we saw him like several times. So anyway, hey, come on down here to Desperado Harley-Davidson, where we are the innovators of sound, and most definitely got the Psycho Mufflers to prove it. So come on down here, get your bike psychoed out today. Our awesome service department and our awesome parts department are here to help you, and we're gonna handle business. So for Mark and everybody here at Desperado Harley-Davidson, I am out.